Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Learning. So today we will learn about looping statements in a web. So what are the looping statements in any programming language? Let's discuss this. So we have three types of looping statement in SAP ABAP. First is while and while, and then second is do and do, and third is loop and loop. So we will discuss this type of looping statement with the requirement. So we have a requirement here. We will create a web program where it will have a input screen. Say like user will enter a number. Suppose he registered a number, create a number like 6. Then it should display a result of that multiplication table. So it should have first number and then multiplication and then its iteration, then equals to, and then its result. So let's do this in the system. So we will create a program. Let's say this, and then put a title for our program, and then save it in a local object. So first we will create a single input screen where we will display a input single input number. So we'll do it as parameters. Let's make it a px, and it would be a type of integer and make it a mandatory, and also create a label for this text as enter number. And now we want to store multiple variables. So here we have two variables. First, it will store a iteration of this multiplication, and another is which will store a result of this multiplication. So let's create these variables like as this, and another is. Now we will do all these operation with the help of our looping statement. First statement will use as while and while. So we have to put a condition here because we want to make a loop or iteration from 1 to 10, and it should be incremented by 1. So we will put our condition as, and now for this condition we have to make a default value of this iteration as 1. So whenever we use a I integer, it will give always a default value of 0, but we want to put a default value of 1. So that now we will proceed with condition. So it will process this loop when our condition will execute. So what will be the condition? We want to make it till it is greater than 10. So let's do this like this. Okay, it would be this. Fine. So now we want to do the multiplication process. We want to do this p underscore x into v underscore y, and now we want to print our result as p underscore, first we want to print the number and then multiplication symbol as this, and then we want to print the vy, which is iteration, and then we want to print single equals to, then we want to print our result. Now we have to make an increment of 1 for this vy variable. So how to do this? We have to make this as this, and now check the logic. Why? Let me activate it and see my output. So let me see the my ABAP program flow with the debugging process. So let's take a multiplication table of 4. So I would see the result in my debugging. So first variable, it is y, because we have make it as a default value of 1, and then our input variable is 4. So let's do this. So it will be executed 10 times. So let's see, our result is stored in a v result, and it has been incremented by 1 at all the looping statement. Let me do this. So it will be, let me execute it now. So see my result, it has been come. Now let's see the same flow with other and looping statement. So that can be also achieved with do and do. See, we have to make a iteration of this value as 10 times. So we can do the same thing with this also. So let's do the same thing with this do and do. See, now let's see the result directly. Same thing. See, the result is same now. Now we have another method of this do and do. Let's command this and do with the help of do and do. Now we want to see the result as this, and we have to make this condition after this, which is till it is greater than 10, and then we want to come out of the loop. So we will do the exit command. So what will be the exit command will do? It will come out of the loop when you press exit. Let's do the pretty printer and now activate. Now let's see the result. Hopefully it will be same. let's do the table multiplication table of let's say this 5 now. Now, oops. So see, my result is same now. So what we have understood about this process, we have learned about different kind of looping statements. So in my next video, I will make a note of different looping statement as and loop, and we will learn about continue, other control break statement, continue, exit, and much more. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.